Based on studies, businesses in the US miss from 20 to over 50% of calls, depending on industry, and that costs them millions of dollars a year. And did you know? If you process a lead within first minute, it boosts conversion for almost 400%. It means almost 5 times. If you have 10 calls a day and your average revenue per client is $500 and you convert every 5th client, you lose over $100,000 a year. So let's check what do we have in this automation. Let's assume we have some form that is, let's say, on our website or some meta instant form that lead should fill. After that, usually your sales should get this leads and try to call them back or try to communicate. And it can be after hours or it can be like lunch time. So yeah, it won't always be immediately. And that's where this automation comes into. And this automation will process this lead in less than a minute. After a lead fills a form, it goes to some sort of CRM. In this example, we will review it with HubSpot. And after getting into CRM, he will receive an email as a first touch or any other form of communication your leads prefer. And in parallel, it will receive an immediate phone call from an AI sales agent. And it will answer all business questions, consult about services, qualify the lead, and set up all necessary next steps like appointment setting or discovery call. So let's see in details how it works. For this automation, we will use Make.com. It's a Zapier or NA10 alternative and has thousands of integration with other popular services. So let's say we have some paid ads and someone filled our instant form on Meta and we get our lead. It can work in this way, or it also can work with other forms like Typeform, form on the website, Google form, whatever. This helps us to gather basic information about the lead like email and the required phone number so we can create a callback. And this will be triggered whenever a new lead fills a form. And after capturing the lead information, we are going to trigger a main part of automation. Whenever we get new lead information, we are going to do multiple processes in parallel. First, we are going to send an email to a lead. It can also be a WhatsApp message, SMS, or any other channel that clients prefer. Also, we are going to send a message to our Slack channel where we track all leads to see what happened with them. And finally, we save our lead to CRM, check that the phone number it provides is valid, and we initiate our phone call using AI Sales Agent. For the AI voice agent, we are going to use a platform called Vocaly AI. This platform helps to create a voice agent that can process business phone call and send analytics after the phone call is finished, so we can process it. After the phone call is finished, we are going to process all the information we got from these calls. For this, we have a new workflow that helps us to track all important information that we got from the call. If we were sent to a voicemail, we will schedule a new call. Otherwise, we are going to process transcript and all important information we got about lead before with OpenAI, so we can qualify a lead and identify if lead is interested in our services and what are next steps for the lead. If client just want more information, we will send them via email after the call all case studies they need and sales information. And the last one, we will send the Slack message so to see that lead was processed successfully. Let's fill the Facebook form. Let's see how it works. So if we just fill the form, and we got an immediate call from our AI sales agent.
My name is Alex. Thanks for reaching out to Vocaly AI. Can I get your name?
Yeah, hi Alex, I am Vlad.
Hi Vlad, great to talk with you. What kind of business do you have?
Yeah, I have a small company, low company in Florida.
Thanks, Vlad. What do you use voice technology for currently, or what would you like to improve with it?
Yeah, I don't use it, so I saw your website and I wonder how you can help me. I saw you can help with processing phone calls.
1 hour later.
And after the call is processed, we can see all our information was extracted from the call transcript, summarized and qualified, so we can schedule an appropriate next steps. Like here in Slack, you can see that we got our leads information, we have an ability to call them back and see short summary and interest. And as you can see, for our lead, we send an email with case study information because it requires more information via email. After that, we can process it in more steps. And all the information was added to our CRM with all activities within. In this video, we reviewed an automation that helps businesses to process leads on autopilot and save tens of thousands of dollars. Hit subscribe button to see more automation like this that can help your business to automate operations, and share in a comment what automation do you use for your businesses. And see you next time.